Hey guys, my name is George Arellano Dagok, and today's video ang pag-uusapan natin is how you promote your fan page to gain more likes. Okay? So, paano mo ipo-promote yung yung fan page mo, and ano yung dapat na i-post mo sa pagpo-promote mo ng sarili mong page, kasi merong iba kasi na nagpo-promote lang ng Facebook fan page nila, tapos sinasabi nila sa post nilang yon na please like my page, or like mo naman yung page ko. Okay, so sa madaling salita, begging. Okay, so for this example is you you don't have to beg. Okay, so hindi mo kailangan na makaawa para lang sa likes nila. So sila yung kusang magla-like kung gusto nila. Okay, so paano mo gagawin 'yon? Paano mo ipo-promote 'yon in the right way? Okay, so basically yung ipo-promote ko is ito, yung aking Facebook fan page. Okay, so one of the basic example to promote is for your timeline. Okay, so kasi yung mga friends mo na nagpupunta sa timeline mo, tas makikita nila yung fan page mo, they're going to like, kung gusto ka nila, they're going to like your fan page. Okay, so punta tayo sa timeline ko. So this is your powerful link. Kunin mo to, copy, tapos post mo dito. Okay, post mo dito, antayin mo siya na mag-load. Tapos kung nakapag-load na siya, ito yung mangyayari. So basically, nagpo-post din ako. Ito na yun siya. Okay, sinabi ko lang, life is great because every day was awesome. So wala akong sinabi na please like my page, and wala akong sinabi na hindi ako nagmakaawa. I'm not beg for their likes. Okay, so yan ang pinaka one of basic example for promoting is yung timeline mo. Okay, so ganyan mapapump up. Ganito yung link mo, tapos dito post. So um, punta ka sa home. Okay, ito na yung number 2 example. Okay, dalawa yung example ko ngayon. First is yung timeline mo. Second is yung Facebook groups. Okay, so punta ka dito sa groups, may makikita ka dito sa kaliwang banda dito sa groups, tapos more. Okay, tapos yun nga, kopyahin mo to, copy, and ano yung ipo-post mo dun sa, kung magpo-promote ka, ano yung dapat na sabihin mo, yung say something about this link. In my opinion, in my advice ko sa inyo is provide value. Okay, ganun naman talaga eh. um, kapag nagpo-provide ka ng value, they're going to like you. Okay, so kasi nga merong nag-pump up dito na like button, and kung nakatulong sa kanila yung wisdom na information mo, they're going to like you. Okay, so ano yung example mo? So example, um, ano humanap ka ng mga humanap ka ng piece, motivational quote sa Google, and lagay mo lang dito. Okay, so pwede ring value. Okay, so basic, for example, it is ito, your face is your blog. ka magbigay ng value to your prospect. Ganyan. Your Facebook fan page is your blog. Dito ka magbibigay ng value to your prospect. So advisean mo sila na if you promoting parang ganyan, if you are a network marketer, I highly recommend. Oops, mali pa yung spelling. To create a fan page. Okay, so ganyan lang. Wala kang sasabihin na please like my page or please like mo naman yung page ko, okay? You don't have to beg. Okay? So, ganyan lang. Your Facebook fan page is your blog. Dito ko magbibigay ng value to your prospect. If you are a network marketer, I highly recommend to create a fan page. Okay? So, iyan lang yung mo, ipopost mo dun sa for promoting your fan page. So, example is ito, copy. Tapos hanap ka ng groups. Okay. Example, ignition marketing. Okay? So, pwede ka namang magpatulong sa team natin. So, pero wag lang yung like mo lang yung page ko. So, stop begging. Stop begging and start give value to your prospect. Okay? Okay ba? So, for example is ito, copy, tapos paste, antayin mo mag-load. Okay, so copy na natin to. Copy. Okay, andyan na. Paste. Okay? So, your Facebook fan page is your blog. Dito ka magbibigay ng value to your prospect. If you're a network marketer, I highly recommend to create a fan page. Okay? So, post mo lang dyan. And you're done. So, gawin mo to not just for one groups. I-promote mo siya sa several groups na may topic or may interest sa business. Okay, tulad nito, online tindahan, Butuan online, buy and sell, lahat yan, pagpropromotan mo yan. But, post only value or motivational quotes para kung sakaling nakatulong sa kanila, they're going to like your page. So, dadami yung page likes mo. Okay? I hope na nakatulong sa iyo yung information na to, and I hope na ma-apply mo to at gawin mo to kaagad sa Facebook fan page mo para dumami yung likes niya. So, for more videos and for more wisdom information, go to my Facebook fan page, facebook.com/George Dagok Official. And I talk to you soon.